Hello all and welcome to New Forest Academy of Dance's classical bun tutorial. This will help you to be able to know how to get the best bun ready for your classes, exams and performances. So here we have our lovely New Forest Academy of Dance student right here, and we've got her hair all ready as it is. So we're going to start with her with brushing the hair into a high ponytail. So we draw all of the hair back from the front, around the sides by the ears, the other side by the ears, pull it up from underneath as well, and we're going to try and make sure that when we secure the ponytail that it's in line with her ears here, so it comes in to a nice line like so. So we're going to fasten it with the hair tie here. Ooh. So making sure it stays nicely in line, keeping it pulled nice and tight, because the best ballet bun has a nice tight ponytail for it. Lovely. Don't want it to be a bit wonky. There we are, fabulous. So there we are with that. If you're really going for show or examination, you want some hair gel, and you're going to just sweep that in before you do the ponytail, and then draw that across with the hairbrush into the ponytail. And now we have the perfect ponytail for our bun. So from there, we're going to twist the ponytail all the way around like so, till it starts to coil. As it starts to coil, you guide it around the top of the knot of the ponytail, and then put any excess hair in underneath. Now for now, we're just going to secure with a few pins. So these are your forked pins like this, not the curvy grips, they don't do the same job. So to secure it in place for now, I do two at the side, one on each side, and one at the top and one at the bottom. We're going to take the pin, it's going to go directly towards the head with a bit of hair in place, turn it across and push it in towards the ponytail knot. Then we're going to do it again with this one. So again, straight in towards the head, getting a little bit of the hair from the bun into it, twisting and pushing it in. And as you can see, it's starting to secure that very nicely into place. Again, one at each side, one at the top and one at the bottom. Now, we're certainly not finished yet. It's not all put away. So the way to keep it nice and clean and tidy is with our bun net. So we're going to collect all of the hair into that, give it a little twist at the top, turn it over, and as many times as you need to be able to secure it in. And that, make sure when you get the net that it is a bun net. They're smaller comparatively to a hair net, which is rather large. So the bun nets are super for that. Then we're just going to secure it in place with a few more of the pins. And we're going to, again, like we did before, take it to the edge, making sure you've got a little bit of the net and the hair in, twist it and put it in. And here we're going for the 4 diagonals there from the so it makes a nice circle with the others, and it brings everything in. You can use more to help secure it in place, to help to give it a nice shape. So here we are with our last one here, and then there we have a beautiful classical ballet bun prepared for your examinations, classes or performances.